Hey, what's up guys? Miracle Genesis here, and today I've got a very special unboxing because I finally got my Fruits Basket Season 1 Part 1 DVD Blu-ray box set. And I'm super excited. I just got it off the mail, just picked it up. So yeah, I actually recorded this earlier, but I got interrupted because somebody called me and I was like, dang. But that's okay. I still haven't opened the actual box itself, but I did take it off out of the brown box, this box, and this is what you get. Fruits Basket Season 1 Part 1 with Toru in all of her glory. The art is amazing. Right there. Fruits Basket Season 1 Part 1. And you got the side over here. The right side. And then on the back, you got this paper card that says Own the Limited Lovely Limited Edition with exclusive Rat and Ox Zodiac figures. So it includes 3 art cards, a Nigiri figure, stand for figurines. So the reason why I got this and I'm so freaking excited is because, first of all, Fruits Basket, duh. Second of all, it's limited edition, and I don't know when the next time this opportunity will come up. So yeah, it should be pretty exciting. I was expecting it to be bigger. I didn't think the box would be this small, but here we are. All right, let's get into the actual opening of this box. I'm trying to be careful and not ruin the packaging, because that would make me cry, like legitimately make me cry. All right, put this down. Open the top. So careful, guys. Oh wait, we didn't see this part. Hey, you got Yuki, Toru, and Kyo. Yes. Awesome. Alright, let's open it. I can't really open it without holding it. There we go. Alright, so inside the box, you get the DVD. It's right here. DVD, Fruits Basket Season 1 Part 1, Blu-ray DVD plus digital. You got Toru in the front cover. This is the spine. Go. Then you got the back with Toru again. And actually this comes with a digital stream, so you can just put the code that comes with it, and you can watch it anywhere, anytime, which is awesome. More Fruits Basket. Alright, I'll open that in a second. And then we got the art cards right here. I'll open that in a second as well. And this is the board that it comes with, where you can put the figurines. It's actually pretty good quality. And oh yeah, the little figurines themselves are in here. So let's open that. Ooh, finesse with one finger. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. Alright, so this is Toru, the Onigiri Toru. Hey, it's so cute. Look at that. Zooming in. So awesome. The plum on its back. Amazing. Alright, we'll put her here for now. And then we got Hatsuharu, the ox. So awesome. It's just a black finish, very shiny. Put them over there, and last but not least, the rat, Yuki. Here we go, Yuki. Yes. It's the back of it, the bottom. This is pretty cool actually, because these are like kind of replicas of what you see in the anime, like Shigure's collection, which is pretty nice. And then you put them in this cardboard. It's not really cardboard because it's kind of, I don't know, I don't think it's cardboard, but it's pretty good material. Put them there for now. I'm not gonna open that just because I want to wait until I got all of the collectibles. So the collectibles, figurines. So I'm gonna wait until I have it all to open this, but this is the place where you put them, this cardboard thing. And we got the cards, which is right here. Let me open it up. It's wrapped in a plastic wrapping, nothing too special. Reason why I'm taking too long to open stuff is because I'm being careful not to rip things, because I don't want things to be damaged. It's gonna be bad. Wow, this is really hard to open. Use my scissors here actually. There we go. Alright, so we got Shigure with a dog snowman, and then we got Yuki, and we got Toru with the cat snowman and a rat snowman, and Kyo with a snowball. Cute, cute. And then the next photo is Yuki, Toru with some onigiri, and Kyo. And last but not least, we got a picture of Toru, Yuki, and Kyo. They're all located at Shigure's house, which is very nice. This will very postcardy type of material. So if you ever held a postcard, that's the material that it's made out of. And on the back, it just says fruits basket for all three of them. Pretty sure. Yeah, fruits basket. Fruits basket. Yeah, and the main thing that is in the box is the DVD. So let me get that, slide that open. So we got a sleeve here, which is nice. So here's the actual case itself. Very nice. And I'm not sure if it's, no, it's not wrapped. Well, just open it real quick. Alright, I'm just gonna take off the codes because you guys don't need to see that. Here it is. It's the inside. This is the Blu-ray with Toru on it. Oh, this, I thought there was nothing on that side, but it fell off. So you got Yuki for the part 2 Blu-ray. There we go. Yuki, and then you got Kyo for the regular DVD. Oh, and this also comes with special features, guys, so, which is very handy. Love seeing special features. And we got Figurine for DVD too. And on the background of these discs is the classic dinner scene with Kyo, Toru, Figurine, and Yuki. Amazing. This is fun fact actually. This background is actually the background for my laptop, which is awesome. I love that background. It's amazing. Alright. So that is it for this unboxing. Oh, actually, I wasn't gonna do this unboxing in this video, but might as well. So, other than Fruits Basket, one of my other favorite series is Vampire Knight. And after Vampire Knight was over, the author Matsuri Hino released this sequel series called Vampire Knight Memories. And the third one just came out. I didn't get it before because I keep forgetting about it. And then now I finally had time to get it. You know, I got the Fruit Basket one, so I was like, why not? It's only $5.99 on Amazon Prime. So it was awesome. Actually, if you get it on retail, it's $9.99. So you're actually saving some money if you have Amazon Prime, which is very nice. Let me just open it here, guys. Here we go. Vampire Knight Memories. Here we go. Volume 3. I already have volume 1 and 2. So, yeah. Can't wait to read this. Probably tonight. I probably shouldn't because I have finals coming up, but you know, Vampire Knight. Priorities. Hashtag priorities. So, yeah. That's it for this update. I hope you guys are inspired to buy the box set for Fruits Basket Season 1 Part 1. I know Part 2 of Season 1 will be released around February 20th, if I'm not mistaken, but don't quote me on that. I think it's available for pre-order, which is awesome. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next one.